Good evening from Forley. We always come down here at the beginning of the year, and here we are. Here we are. And it's the same lineup as what we normally get, in honesty. We've got Ghost Train here, which is pumping out some music I'm probably going to get copyrighted for. We have the Earthshaker, the Mirror Maze. We've got the Master Blaster just over here. And then as you go down there, you've got a couple of juvenile rides. You've got the Dodgems and the Twister. So we're not going to be here very long. Obviously, there's virus concerns going around. We'll address that in a later video. But we do want to get on a couple of rides before everything shuts down. And it's not going to be long till everything shuts down. So we want to go on the Twister. We probably want to go on the Master Blaster. And we may go on this Ghost Train as well, because it's quite a good Ghost Train. I'm not overly sure I'm feeling a waltzer today, so I don't think we'll go on the waltzer, but it is looking really good. We didn't see it much last year. We only saw it here in one other location, and that was it. So yeah, we'll get you on some rides. It's really, really loud in the fair, so we'll kind of sum up when we get back out. We'll do a little walk around for you as well, so you can see exactly what's here. It's not the biggest of grounds, but it is the kick-off fair for this Coles. It's their kick-off fair of the year. It's always been very, very popular. I really hope it does last the whole period, but with everything going on in the world at the moment, I'm not really sure. Let's go on some rides.
vlog on vlog, Adam.
Vlog on vlog.
I haven't seen Adam for ages. Yeah, UK theme park. He's in the same boat as me. Yeah. Last ride of the Last ride of the year. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
First Miami of the year.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Sam. Here we go.
It's peaceful.
This is for Zach.
Yeah, bless him.
Bless him.
Here last year, wasn't he on this?
Yeah, it's his favourite pair of the year.
Yeah.
This was. Oi! Yeah, baby. Woo! This is for Zachary. Zachary. Oh my good God. Watch mate, my coffee's well around. Shabba. She says.
We go. It's quite a loud fair here down in Fawley. It always is quite a loud fair where it's quite a small ground. We bumped into David as well. It's always nice to see David. We haven't seen him in ages, absolutely ages. So we've taken you on a few rides. We went on the Twister there. We went on the Master Blast. We went on the Ghost Train. Actually, that's a really good ghost train. I don't remember it being quite like that. Lovely little projector at the end. Lovely little projector. Really quick Twister, really quick Miami. Proper thrown out the seat. Kind of, you know, bruise the sides. That's what I like from Miami. You always get that from a lap bar one, which you do not get from an over-the-shoulder restraint one. Never do. And then, of course, the Ghost Train down the back, which is, yeah, love the Ghost Train. Some really nice effects on the Ghost Train. So really, really enjoyed that. Really, really enjoyed that. So, yeah, that's it. We're not going on the Earthshaker today. Not really feeling a bit of Earthshaker. So, that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed it. It is short. It is really, really short. And the reason why we're keeping it short today is, you know, there's a lot of virus concerns going around. Here he is, look.
Hey, following you.
Yeah, he's just trying to get in the clothes, David, so.
What are you doing in the ghost train?
It was very good.
That's good, isn't it?
I don't remember it being like that.
No, he's put a bit more in there. Did
Yeah,
you see the alien?
projection at the end. Yeah, it's good.
Projection.
Really enjoyed that. So yeah, that's it. It's really short. We just wanted to come down and ride some rides. That's all we wanted to do. We didn't want to do a lot. We just wanted to come down and ride some rides.
It's nice to see Adam, of course.
Before it all kind of...
It's been too long, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, from UK Theme Parks, thanks for joining us today. We'll see you soon. Be sure to stay tuned.